In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a learning module in Prezi. Whether you're an educator, trainer, or just someone looking to share knowledge creatively, Prezi is a fantastic tool to make your content engaging and visually appealing. So let's dive straight into the process and get your learning module up and running. First things first, you'll need to log into your Prezi account and open up your personal dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll access all of your existing projects and begin new ones. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the option that says Create from Template. This is your gateway to starting a brand new project with some foundational designs that can speed up your creation process. Since we're focusing on educational content today, you'll want to search for templates that are specifically designed for education or training purposes. Prezi offers a variety of these templates to fit a range of topics, so take your time browsing and select one that aligns well with your subject matter. Once you've chosen your template, it's time to start editing. The main topic is essentially your introduction. Use this section to outline the learning objectives for your module. This gives your audience a clear understanding of what they can expect to learn and helps set the tone for the entire presentation. Now, let's add some depth to your module by introducing subtopics. Think of these as individual lessons, concepts, or sections that make up the entire learning experience. Each subtopic should focus on a specific area of your subject, allowing your audience to delve deeper into each aspect step by step. With your framework in place, you can begin populating each section with content. Insert text, images, and videos as needed to explain each part clearly and concisely. Prezi's flexibility allows you to incorporate a wide variety of visual elements that can make even the most complex topics more understandable and engaging. One of Prezi's standout features is its zoom and navigation paths, which you can use to control the flow of your presentation. This allows you to guide your audience smoothly from one concept to the next, ensuring that the learning progression makes sense and stays on track. If you want to take your module a step further, consider adding interactive elements like quizzes or embedded content. This can be accomplished using links or embedded tools that encourage your audience to actively engage with the material, reinforcing what they've learned. Before you wrap it all up, review your entire module carefully. Pay close attention to the transitions between sections. Ensure they are smooth and contribute to the overall learning experience rather than disrupt it. And that's how you set up a learning module in Prezi. With these tools and tips, you'll be well on your way to creating an impactful educational experience that captivates your audience.